Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. In today's video I'll share with you how to make such cute small ice cream charms. It can be like a charm or can be like a small toy. This one is a little bit bigger. I'll show you how to make both. So we are going to start. I use two types of chenille yarn. Mustard color, it's loops and threads, and sweet snuggle and yellow Dunze foil. Also I used the hook 6 millimeters. And I used plastic eyes 1 centimeter each, 10 millimeters. Also we are going to need some polyfill inside. We start with magic ring of 5 stitches. Row number 1, back loop only. We make increasing 1 single crochet, we repeat it 2 times, and we have increasing at the end. We have 8 stitches in this row. In all the rows that we are going to make the cone for ice cream, I used only back loop to leave the line in the front, so it gives us a shape of waffle, and I like that pattern more. If you want to do the same way, you can do. If no, you can just use both loops. Row number 2, back loop only, 8 single crochet. We have 8 stitches in this row. We change the marker and we just do 8 single crochet. Row number 3, back loop only. We start with 1 single crochet, then increasing, we repeat it 4 times. We have 12 stitches in this row. Rows number 4, 5 back loop only. We make 12 single crochet. We have 12 stitches in each row. Row number 6, back loop only. Increasing 1 single crochet, we repeat it 6 times. We have 18 stitches in this row. It was the last row for the cone. Now we finished it. We are going to cut the yarn and hide the end because we are going to continue with another yarn, the top color. So we continue with the second color. We are going to hide this yarn. If you use chenille yarn, then you can burn the end so it doesn't peel. And we hide in the next loop, back loop only, because that's how the pattern was. And we start crocheting with the second color. In my case it's yellow. In the row number 7 we leave back loop on. We use back loop only because the front loop we are going to use later, so make sure that you use only back loop for row number 7. In row number 8 we just do single crochet with both loops as usual. So rows number 7, 8 we make 18 single crochets, so we have 18 stitches in each color. If you want to make it higher, like you saw I have the coral one, then you need to make 3 rows here to make it taller. Row number 9 we make decreasing 1 single crochet and we repeat it 6 times. We have 12 stitches in this row. Once we finish this row, we are going to attach eyes. We are attaching it between the rows number 8 and 9 and approximately 3 stitches apart. Also, after I secure eyes, I burn them, the ends of the plastic, to secure it even more, so the eye doesn't fall out accidentally. Now we add polyfill inside. Make sure that you add it enough, but not too much, also because it's going to be too hard. Since the hole is getting smaller, we are going to add the biggest part of it now and continue crocheting. Row number 10, we make decreasing 1 single crochet and we repeat it 4 times. We have 8 stitches in this row. Now I will add a little bit more polyfill because I feel that I need more. If you feel that you need more, also you can add. If you think that you have enough, then just continue crocheting. We are going to make the last row. Row number 11, we make decreasing and we repeat it 4 times. We have 4 stitches in this row, and this is the last row. Now we finished the last row and we are going to cut the yarn and hide the ends. We are going to fasten off these 4 loops that we have on the top. You can use the hook to make it or a plastic needle if you have one. We are almost finished, that's how it is, but one more point is left. Now we are going to look the line that we left when we started crocheting with yellow color. We have the line of loops there because we left front loops, and we are going to make single crochet style row in yellow color. So we just find the loops that we have. It's between the mustard and yellow color, and do single crochet style. We do like this all around. Now we crocheted everything and the ice cream is ready. We can just add some more decoration if we feel like. This lower row, you just need to pull it up so the mustard color is not visible. I'm going to add cheeks. I added already cheeks. This is the final result. This is the one that I made now, and this is what I did before. If you want taller, you just need to make one more row. Thank you for watching.